Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. I'm planning for today, which is Monday the 13th up until Sunday the 19th. Each and every week I plan out all the things that I need to do, but I also find some time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't specifically stress if I can't get everything done all at once, meaning the plan that I have for that set week. If I don't get it all done, I just spread it over days, weeks, and even months if I have to. I just don't stress over anything. I just make sure that when I plan and I get my things done, I am still taking some time out for myself as well. Swimming, dancing, listening to music, my favorite podcasts, audiobooks. I do take a nap if I feel like it. I paint my nails and I also go to the salon to have a regular pedicure. Sometimes I find that when we stress, we don't get anything done. But this way, for me, personally speaking, at least, I've done a few things better than none at all. So if it's something that you might be interested in, please feel free. It is an open collaboration. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is plan out your weekly chores, things to do, appointments, all that good stuff. Upload it, hashtag plan fun get things done. And also, if you can tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles, all in your title bar, I would really appreciate it. So let's get on with things for this week now. I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone method, so I'll let you know about that. And I do have a little compulsory cleaning list that I have compiled for myself that I get done as well, and I do spread it over the days, all of my things to do. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday it's wash and dry. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday it is fold and pack away the clothes. On Monday I used to have my list of bleaching the kitchen, the bathroom and the toilet and cleaning the front of the house, but now I moved it to Tuesdays because on a Monday now I do my meal prep and I cook. I also do my budget. And I am doing some DIY at the moment, so that's taking up a bit of time as well. And it's not even time, it's the energy. That's what is taking up the energy, because I'm actually knackered. I've been painting from this morning early and I am really tired. I've had a little bit of something to eat and I could just have a nap now, and believe you me, I will do it if I want it. So that's been just taking up some energy, zapping some energy, but I'm still moving along, and I'm glad that I have got my plan, because if I didn't have my plan I'd be all over the place. But it for instance, as I said, I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, as though I want to have a nap, and if I do have a nap, that's fine. I will get up and just look on my plan and think, okay, what can I do next? You know, it makes my life so much easier. So this week it will be, every week it's mop and hoover. And I mean, sometimes if I see certain things around the house that needs hoovering, I don't wait until the following week. I just get the hoover out and sort it out, or I get the mop out and sort it out, or the broom and sort it out. It's just that I try not to chase work every day like that. So I'm definitely more in control of what I'm doing here, because every day I used to chase work all the time, but now because of this it just keeps me in good stead. All right, so I want to deal with zone 4 this week. I'm going to steam the carpets. I've only got one room with carpet, so I'm going to steam that. I am getting the floor replaced, so in the meantime I just try and look after the carpet as best as I can. For zone 4, it's clean all the chest of drawers, the bedside tables, the radiator covers, the sideboard, the mantle, mirrors and the windowsill. So that's all in my zone 4 to do this week. Today I'm actually going to do my meal prep and I'm going to cook. Yesterday, I have to say, I did a little bit of it because I just thought, well, why not? I've got a few minutes to spare. So I did do some meal prep and I did cook some stuff as well. So that was good for me to do. Yeah, so as I was saying, so Tuesday I've changed it over to clean, bleaching the kitchen, the bathroom and the toilet, cleaning the front of house. That's just sweeping and knocking out the mats and stuff, freshening out there. And I used to do it on Thursday as well, but I thought, nope, I'm giving myself too much work. One day a week is fine enough for me. If it gets really terribly messy, I will do it, but I'm not chasing it, as I said again. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do my budgeting. Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak, but I've put the mini icons of the feet here because it just reminds me, if I feel like taking a foot soak, I will do it. It's always on a Wednesday and a Sunday I have that foot soak, that compulsory foot soak. Thursday I do a bit of ironing. It's movie night on Thursday, and I spend about 20 minutes doing a bit of ironing, sometimes 30 minutes, just depends, but I don't have a lot of clothes to iron. Saturday I have my K&C club, that's knitting and crochet club, looking forward to that very much. And Sunday I have church. Monday to Sunday I walk Archie twice a day, and then from Monday to Saturday I do 8 laps around the little recreational grounds that I have near home. But Sundays I do 4 laps because I'm normally a bit tired when I get home from church. I have my washi tapes that I'm really getting a lot of use out of, and of course my trusted Pinterest images to decorate my pages. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.